Okay, so here we go. This is on f16, yeah. And here is this like hole where you can put in this one. So if I put it all the way here, and the problem is this aperture thing, because when you put it all the way like this, and you put it in, like here are the double dots, then this should be aligned to that one. So if I do it, then if I do it like this, then you see that one is tilted to like, oh, it's more, it's 2.5–3 centimeters to the right, so that's a problem. So it doesn't fit. And if I put it like this, then the hinge here wouldn't fit to the aperture, and the camera can't control, well, not the camera, but yeah, the spring blade will not work, and also the aperture won't work. So tell me what to do, please. Merci beaucoup.